guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'll be going to show you guys how to use some terrain tools and stuff to build your racetrack and stuff. So let's get into it. So the first thing, you want to open up Unity, and if you want to get this type of mouse crosshair, check my recent video. It might be in the description, or just go check. It's gonna be behind this video, so just go check that if you want to learn. But anyway, just open up your jump script, because sorry, not your jump script. Go over to here, and wait, why is this here? Where's the delete button? There we go. Bye bye. I don't know what that was, but yeah. So just find your, okay, so this is your racer right now. I don't know what is going on, but okay. So just start your game. In the last video we made it, so now you can jump over this, so now you don't get stuck anymore. And yeah, so that's basically what we did in the last video. So yeah, I don't know what this glitch is that's happening, but it phases through. So yeah, that is a weird glitch, but I don't know what that is. But yeah, it's not happening now. So yeah, whatever. Now, oh my god, what is this glitch? I need to fix this. I don't know what it is, but here, I just won't look this way. So anyway, now I'm gonna make my racetrack. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be making a terrain. If you don't want to make it to terrain, I recommend you following. If you want to get good at this, and then after you can make whatever you want. I'm just gonna make it terrain. I recommend you following along, but you don't have to. But I definitely recommend it. Highly recommend this. And soon we will add 3D text to our game, as you can see. And yeah, so but anyway, let's just move on into the terrain. One thing I'd like to say is that it is so laggy. Terrains, yep, I see there's a lag coming. It's just loading in. Don't worry about this lag. It is normal. Don't worry that your PC is trash. Your PC won't explode. Don't worry. All you want to do is, let's just play our game right here. And we're just going to run on the terrain. And now it looks like we're not moving at all. If we just go straight, it doesn't even look like we're moving. Right? But you can see the wheels moving, obviously. But it looks like we're not moving, right? That's how big it is. I'm not joking. That's how big it is. It gets super confusing. And if I'm not even moving right now. Look, the tires aren't. And it's still moving. That's how fast we go. Look, it's still literally moving. So we need look, it's actual still moving. It might even go across the edge. Wait, no, I didn't. Okay. But anyway, that's how big it is. So we need to lower this down, because there is no way I'm going to get my players racing on this. So all you want to do is click on terrain right here. Then you want to hit on the settings, the gear, and then scroll down to where you see terrain width. And you want to change that back. I'm just going to change it to 400, because it is so big. And 400 again. Now, since we did that, you want to go to transform, go into the X position, and hit -200, because we want to do half of the width and height, width and length. So then we want to go to the Z and do -200 again. You just want to half it down to where it's like that. That looks pretty good. It's still a lot laggy. You can change it to whatever. Oh my god, it's laggy. I'm just going to keep it for it to load a bit. But yeah, okay, there we go, it loaded. But yeah, since our terrain is so big and it takes forever to move, you can use scroll wheel to move faster now. So we can just use scroll wheel, and there you go. Now we're up here. If you want, you can do that. And there we go, we're right here. There, as you can see, that's a thing now. We can use scroll wheel. So yeah, if you want, you can use scroll wheel. I don't care. Just use it if you want to get around places faster, and use shift to move. It makes it so much faster, way faster. Okay, but anyway, so now we're gonna go into our terrain right here and rename it to what's renamed? There we go. And we're gonna rename it to race terrain if you want. I don't really care. race terrain. And then now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit on our terrain, and we're gonna go into the brushes. It's like a brush area right here, and you wanna go into set height, as you can see right there, and you wanna change the height to 25 if you want it, because the height is really high on this. So 25 is the right height, for me at least. It's 25 as the brush height. As you can see, it gives us a little warning of how high it will be and stuff. So yeah, and I'm just gonna make the opacity. This is very important. You can make this. I'm gonna make this like 20. No, actually, I might make this 15 because yeah. See now it's like way lower. It becomes lower. The higher, the better, I guess. If you want to build like a lake or something, the higher is best, because then you can flip the brush and it'll go deeper into the ground, and the opacity will be 100 blocks down into the ground, so it's better that way. But I'm not digging anything to the ground right now. Why do I keep saying digging? It's what am I supposed to call it anyway? I don't even know myself, but I'll just say digging for now. If you're making a hole into the ground, it's best to put it on like really high. I'm just gonna keep it on 7. 7's a pretty good height for making mountains and stuff. So yep. Now let's go into raise or lower terrain. And now we have all of these different brushes. And as you can see, it says hold shift and left click to lower. That means you can hold, wait, where did it go? Oh my god. So you can hold shift to make it go lower down into the ground. So right now it's going into the ground. So if I make a hole, you'll see it into the ground. But right now I'm not going to do that because I don't really want a lake or anything in my scene. But yeah, so you can use different shapes to build your terrain. Like this one, this is like a spiky mountain one. So if you place it, looks like that. It looks very blocky though and laggy. But if you come closer to it, as you can see right here, it gets a bit better. But if you look at it from far, it looks a bit better. Like it looks like that. It looks like an ice palace or something. I don't know. But some of them look pretty bad. Like this one. I don't really like this one. It's just like that. Like I don't really like it. I'm just going to control Z that. But some of them like this is good. You can just don't hold them down. Otherwise they go like that, and I don't think anyone wants it like that. But just right now, use the tools I showed you to build your terrain, and just mess around for now. We're not gonna, oh my god, yeah, that is so huge. But yeah, just mess around, do whatever you want, and remember you can hold shift to put it like downwards. Like, what am I saying? So you can bring it like down, and you can start like brushing with it, I guess. What do you call it? Brushing? Yeah, that'll work. But yeah, you can start. So you just make sure you have a good brush width and a brush size and opacity, and start doing start making your scenery in Unity. But anyway, we're not going to do that in today's video. I was just going to show you some brush tools. But in the next video, we're going to be making our whole racetrack, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to save it right now. I'm just going to delete this because who needs this? I have to keep on Control Z. Come on. Bye-bye. Okay, it went. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Just go save your Unity. There you go. It's saved. Wait. Okay, now it's saved. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.